Sandy Beige. These new lip contour 2.0 are very creamy. I can use this as my lipstick. They're very matte and it doesn't budge. Wow, I think this is good for masks. And look at the color, it makes my teeth really white. Again, this one is pinky brown. It's my favorite so far. According to the website, Honey Bun, Sweet Cheeks, and Baby Face will match this lip liner. Next is Sweet Cheeks. So far, this is my favorite combo. Pinky brown and Sweet Cheeks. So on the website it says that warm brown is perfect for Habibi. Ooh, this is beautiful. Wow. No ties, no price, no need, no free, no ties. Okay, there's two more lip liners. I'm going to try Sandy Beige. It is retractable, so it's easy to use. Oh, sorry, I didn't swatch it. Sandy Beige is like this. It's a cooler brown. It reminds me of Ice Latte from Kylie Cosmetics. So pretty. I'm going to match this with Empress. This is Sandy Beige and Empress. I love this nude. Okay, next I'm gonna show you guys is Rajah. It's so creamy, very moisturizing. Alright, the last lip liner is Terracotta. I'm gonna partner with Hustla. This is a very good combo too. Terracotta and Hustla. Alright, for the last lipstick is Money Maker. Money Maker. Alright, so these are the shades that I have. I think these new Power Bullet Cream Glow lipsticks are amazing. They're perfect for spring and summertime. After winter, I just want to use these lipsticks. I think this is the best swatch video that I have ever filmed because my lips are not screaming for help. I think the cream lipsticks are absolutely beautiful. They're sheer, but if you pair them with the lip liners, they're very opaque. It's so beautiful. They're very moisturizing, comfortable. They don't stick on your teeth. It's like wearing lip gloss without being sticky, and it's bullet lipstick. It is actually familiar. The formula is familiar. If you guys are familiar with Charlotte Tilbury Hyaluronic Lip Moisturizer that she recently launched, it's very hydrating. I have it in my pocket all the time, and I am very familiar with the formula. It feels like this with the pigment of a lipstick. The lipstick is not very pigmented, like opaque like matte lipsticks. It's sheer, but it's buildable to medium coverage, and using the lip liners, the new Lip Contour 2.0, it's gonna be opaque. I think the Lip Contour 2.0 are beautiful. For sure, they're very upgraded. From the formula to the packaging, these are retractable, so you don't need sharpeners anymore. It also has like this sharpener. You can sharpen the tip, just the tip of the pencil. If I'm not mistaken, these are $25 and these are $20, $22. I'm gonna list everything down in the description box. I think my favorite would be for the lip liner. I like the pinky brown. I am very surprised because I was not gonna get the pinky brown. So pinky brown is my favorite. From lipstick, Sweet Cheeks. I also like Habibi. This lip contour, they make my teeth really white. Something about them. I highly recommend these products. I highly recommend the lipsticks because they're very moisturizing. They're beautiful for spring and summertime. For the lip liners, they're waterproof. They're mask proof. I think they're beautiful. If you want something that is not gonna be transfer on your mask, I think the lip liners are amazing. Go with the lip liners. All right, guys, so that's it for my video. I don't want this to be too long. I know you guys just want the swatches and specific teas about this lipstick and lip liners. I hope you guys like this video. I hope it helps you. If you have any questions, please let me know in the comment box below. I will answer them for you. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much for being with me. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel, hit that notification bell for more upcoming videos, and I'll see you in my next video. Love you guys. Bye.